My Physics Project by Tanner C. Let's start with gravity. Gravity is the force that objects exert on each other because of their masses. If you throw any object, such as a duck, it will free fall due to the force of gravity. Air resistance. Friction due to air is called air resistance. The paper airplane has air resistance. Friction and braking. Friction is the force that resists the motion between two surfaces of contact. Braking is what you use to stop motion. I use braking to stop my motion. Friction is used here by applying the brake pads to the wheels. This is friction because it slows down the wheel. Acceleration. Acceleration is the measure of how quickly velocity is changing. Let's focus on Newton's laws. Newton's first law. Newton's first law is objects at rest or in motion remain at rest or in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This ball is at rest. My finger is the unbalanced force. I push it, it's not in rest anymore. This object is in motion until I stop it with an unbalanced force. Newton's second law. Newton's second law is more force equals more acceleration, and more mass equals less acceleration. This ball has less mass, so its acceleration is quicker. This ball has more mass, so it has less acceleration. Newton's third law. Newton's third law is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Take this for an example. If I push on one duck, the other duck will go in the opposite direction. It doesn't matter what side the duck is on, because the other one will go in the opposite direction. Centripetal force. Centripetal force is a force that keeps an object moving in a circle. This ball has centripetal force because when I roll the ball around the ball continues to move in a circle. Momentum. Momentum is a measure of mass in motion. This has less momentum than this does. Inertia. Inertia is the resistance of an object to change in speed or direction of its motion. An example of inertia is when you place a coin on top of a card and flick the card and the coin drops down and doesn't go with the card. Potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is stored energy due to its position. Kinetic energy is energy in motion. The ball is at potential energy. Now it's at kinetic.